show you that I love you, let me hold you down. You my little 30-day baby with my necklace on. Don't like you mad, but you even cuter when you from. I really need you, shorty, you my mate. Never do a thing to hurt you, get that through you.
Hello, you guys, welcome back to our vlog.
Oops, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm talking about vlog.
Doing everything.
Welcome back to our channel. I know y'all ain't seen us in a long time, but we got a surprise for y'all, so stay tuned for that. If you want to see, it'll be at the end of the video. Okay, so today we'll be coming to you guys with a video. We're unboxing our Canon.
Don't forget the name. Don't forget the name.
So yeah, it only took you 3 days. The first time grabbing out the box is the Digital Slave Flash, which is basically just a flash that you put on the side of the camera, like an extra flash, I guess. We just getting the 2 cameras, so we don't really know. We have to do our research. But I did my research about the cameras, and I heard this was a good one, and so we lit. So this is the little flash. And it come with another stand on. I ain't about to pull all that out because it was hard for me to get back in there.
We already tired anyway.
Yeah, it's late, y'all. It's almost 12 o'clock. Derek just got off for work, really.
You know I'm always at work.
And I've been tired all day. Don't even worry about it. So the surprise is coming later. That's why I really can't talk about myself.
Yep.
So this is the starter kit it came with, which includes the mini tripod.
Zoom in a little bit. I don't know what the camera. Yep.
The mini tripod, the 5 sensor swab, and cloth. 2 universal screen protectors. Oh, okay, you know that. Memory card, wallet, lens cap keeper. So that's that. Y'all, we kind of struggling because y'all know we excited for the camera and we gonna set the camera up a certain way. Y'all know what I'm saying? We moving on up in the game. We don't gotta record off the phone no more.
Yep, cause my arm hurting.
And then the battery go in. I don't know what it's called. And then the actual battery came with it. And I'm talking about end, like this about to be the end. Oh, I do that. I do that, man. The tripod.
I'm scared. I'm scared of you.
The digital filter kit.
What you do with that? No.
I don't know what I do with it.
Yep.
Protects your lens from scratches, so we leak. And fingerprints. So I gotta go ahead and put it up there because y'all already know King don't care about nobody. And it absorbs ultraviolet rays, giving your video and digital images sharper contrast.
Oh yeah, we need that sharp contrast.
Diminishes ghosting effect from reflected light. And we got the remote control. Y'all, we fancy out here. Y'all time out. This is one of the lenses I was talking about. This is the 58mm 2.2x.
Oh my goodness.
Y'all want to see?
Oh, you knew what that was, huh?
So yeah, like we're lit.
Got a nice little pretty pouch with it.
Yeah, it got a nice little pretty pouch to it. This is the lens. This is the 2.2. No, they're right, but I ain't put it in the right. Y'all know what I'm saying? When I get stuff, I be trying to keep it in the right compartments, in the right plastic.
Yep.
Until it get old and I'm Canon. So yeah, y'all. Oh. Whoops. Whoops.
What you forget?
What?
Oh, okay.
I was just about to see the ends and go like this. Messing up already, sis.
What else we got?
We got another lens. It's 58 mm. 0.43x.
Bring it to the camera.
Y'all invest in y'all dreams. It's gonna take a little bit money, but you know what I'm saying. Invest in your dreams, okay, sis? You got me, sis. I don't know what to call y'all boys, but I call everybody sis, boy or girl.
Some
This
grown
is
man,
the
she still
cover
call
for
me
it.
sis.
You know what I'm saying? And they're like,
Oh, you gonna see everything, huh?
yeet. You know what I'm saying? Yeet. So that is the other lens. I actually have 3. Y'all comment about what type of cameras you all have, what y'all suggestions is, info about the camera, fun facts, whatever, cause y'all know we do to the camera game. And Darius don't like to read. Darius don't like to learn other stuff, but he gonna learn this time, y'all.
Oh,
I ain't make him learn on the camera, but he's gonna learn this time.
Oh,
on the phone, but he gonna learn this time.
This time.
Then we got I haven't opened this yet, but the carrying bag, the Canon carrying bag.
And what a nice carrying bag it is.
I heard that when you get the bundles, it come with cheap stuff. But y'all, this is good looking stuff to me. If it is cheap, so this is what it looks like. It looks kind of like a lunchbox. It's got a long strap to it, and then this is what the inside looks like. It smells good. Y'all know how stuff smell new. This is what it smells like. I'm weird. I like new smelling stuff. I didn't ever show y'all the tripod, did I? I showed y'all the box.
You showed a nice little box.
I ain't put it out like I did everything else, so it comes with a nice little cover-up case too. And this is what it looks like. I ain't pulling that out, but that was hard for me to put back in too. Y'all know I'm kind of slow.
You gonna hit me with one of those one day.
What?
Something that came out of that box.
I know. I'm glad you know. I'm sorry, I like to be precise with my things.
Thanks.
Whoops, dropped something.
And you're gonna start a show. Oh no.
Oh, y'all, I've seen Derek's phone like that. Y'all know I'm play like that. It was me. What I call him. I didn't get the box open. So, what y'all been waiting for?
Uh-oh.
See, I told y'all it's the Rebel T6. See, I had the brain fart. It's not that I didn't know what it was called. I had the brain fart. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna pull out is the USB cord to it. I feel like I got a paper clip on my. Y'all get what I'm talking about. Okay. And it comes with two 32 gigabytes memory cards. The battery, of course. Oh, it must come with 2 batteries.
It comes with 2?
Yep. This one, and then I was charging it the other one. And then a SDHC card reader. So I don't know what this is about, but I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna find out real quick. Is that all that came out? Then you got the Canon strap that you put on the camera when you trying to put it around your neck. And this is the, what lens is this? This is the EFS 18/55 IS2 lens. So
Struggling.
that one. Don't do me. Don't even do me.
No, I ain't gonna need to say nothing else about it.
And it
both
has a
struggling.
cover in the back too. Yeah, that was cool. I got distracted. I forgot I was recording for a second. And the camera base, of course. Y'all, I'm lit because for one, it's just like, you know what I'm saying? I'm finally getting to invest in my dreams. Y'all don't even know what my dreams is. Y'all don't even know it. Do y'all even know it? I ain't even tell y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all at the end of the video though. So y'all need to get off me. In the camera base, what y'all talking about? What y'all talking about? I'm about to go on here and give y'all a tour. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know if they're ready for that.
They ain't ready for it, babe. So I have to really learn this, figure it out, do something about it.
Make some type of use out of it.
Yeah. So about what I want to do, not what I want to do, what I'm gonna do. You feel me? I ain't going. You feel me? Anybody know me? I ain't even gonna talk about it. I'm just going to do it. But since y'all on my channel, or our channel, cause theirs don't even be talking like it. But since y'all are on our channel, I'm gonna go ahead and spill the beans for y'all. So first of all, I quit my job to go full time YouTube. Who does that? Me, my nigga. What you talking about? Me. So you feel me?
Oh, my
I'm
nigga.
out here doing what I want to do. So yeah, I quit my job to go full time. Do y'all hear what I'm talking about? Do y'all hear what I'm talking about?
I don't know if they did Tupac.
Nah, they ain't hear what I'm talking about.
Okay.
So you feel me? I'm saying one more time for y'all. I quit my job to go full time. Now, don't even try to joke on me because I got my beans up, you know what I'm saying? I'm out here doing what I want to do. So I'm playing, but listen, for real, I did quit my job to go full-time YouTube because that's what I want to do. Like, why would you be at a job that's going to go ahead and stress you out? I'm going to just go ahead and do what I want to do, you know what I'm saying? Record my videos that I want to record. Because I ain't have time. That's why I've been gone. That's why I've been gone right there. I ain't had time to work and try to do YouTube because I was working overnight on a consistent basis. So you feel me? During the daytime I had to go to sleep, and during the nighttime I had to go to work. So you feel me? Too cute for this. Too cute for this. But yeah. So y'all know I got my t-shirt line. We're going YouTube full time. Darren's gonna go full time. I'm gonna cover what he talking about. But yeah, so we're gonna do 3 videos a week. It's 7 days in a week. What you talking about? See, that's what I'm talking about right there. He don't care about nobody. So yeah, we're going full time. I don't even know why he acting like, you feel me? He new to this.
I know, because you already talked to me about it.
Yeah. How you feel me? I don't know what he talking
I
about.
don't see why I tried you. My bad. Sorry.
Oh, that's what they was. Home for 1 second.
Well, I'm good and tired today.
You said what? Y'all, he just, I don't know what's wrong with him. But
My eyes have seen the glory.
I forgot to tell y'all about my I got new designs on my t-shirt design. But drop the website at the bottom in the description box because y'all act like y'all don't know, but y'all really know. Y'all really know me. I'm out here. Y'all know my name. You feel me? Anyway.
No, she didn't roll the eyes.
Yeah. Anyways, description box gonna be the t-shirt. Our Instagram, Darius Facebook, my Facebook, my Snapchat. Darius don't have a Snapchat. My Twitter, Darius don't have a Twitter.
Not gonna make one.
He gonna eventually make one.
Eventually,
But yeah, I'm here. It's lit. Y'all better be ready to see me, cause this is what I want to do. This is what I want to do. So this is what I'm gonna do. So and Darius gonna do it too, cause I don't even know who he think he is.
Right.
He just out here just trying to. You feel me? He just out here trying to be a store manager.
I don't know why I was thinking about it.
I don't even know what he would think about either.
My dream same as your dream.
Like, you trying to be funny.
No,
but I'm
I'm
going
not.
to still off on
you
the camera.
wrong. You wrong. No, I'm not.
Huh?
No, I'm not.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I'm serious.
So you feel me? I'm doing this because you feel me? We got a son that's watching this, and he ain't gonna be no store manager. He gonna, you feel me? He gonna own the store.
Oh, right.
He gonna own the store. He ain't gonna be no store manager. He gonna own whatever he wanna do.
Yeah.
So if you feel me, he wanna do a t-shirt line like me. He ain't not gonna work at Walmart like I did. He gonna own Walmart if that's what he wanna do. Why y'all look at my business, bro?
Huh?
Why y'all look at my business?
I'm not.
So yeah,
I want no problems.
you feel me? I'm trying to show him that, you feel me? He gonna be the boss.
Right.
He gonna be the boss out here. He ain't gonna have nobody over him, cause
Right.
he gonna be the top notch. You know what I'm saying? Dang, got her.
The big dog.
The big dog.
Okay.
So you feel me? We out here. Y'all gonna see more of us, so we not gonna disappear no more. Cause I don't even know what I was thinking. Like letting the job
Disrespectful. Why would you work?
prevent me from pursuing my dreams.
Who told you to go
did
back
I
to work
think I was?
anyway?
I don't even know. Who did I think I was? I was just trying to make my scroller. Y'all know what I'm saying?
The paper.
I'm trying to make my paper.
But you already balling, so you really need to do that.
Swish.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? You see that week?
Wow.
I did it right.
Everybody seen that.
I did it right that time. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I'm gonna get my thing.
Ooh.
Oh, you see that?
I
Oh.
seen it coming.
So yeah, y'all can see a lot more of us in Darius if he want to. Okay, you know what I'm saying? He a grown man.
Right.
You a grown man, right?
Right.
And he really gonna be out here doing what he wanna do. So if he wanna be on YouTube with me, gonna
But
be
you
all over
already-
my grill.
But you already told me I got to do it.
You right.
You told me ain't no decision to be
I don't
made.
even know like why I even keep trying myself. I am the queen.
You a G. Right.
But you feel me? We're gonna catch y'all next time. Derek's gonna talk next time. I'm tired.
I'm
gonna
tired
catch
too.
y'all later.
Very tired.
Well, we gonna catch y'all later. Cause we tired.
Yep.
And it's 12 o'clock at night. And we sitting here trying to record something.
And we got reviews. We got what else we got set up?
Huh?
We got a review that we got set up.
Yeah, we gotta review the
On the
setup
camera.
on
What's
the
the name
camera.
of the camera again?
The Canon T6 Rebel.
Yeah, that. We got a review coming on that soon.
And that was the surprise y'all I'm going YouTube full time. I know y'all miss me. I know y'all miss my ratchet side.
Oh yeah, of course. Who don't?
I knew it.
I'm glad I get to see it all the time.
I knew it. You know what I'm saying? I'm really an actor out here.
Yep.
It's like, no, I'm funny in real life.
But like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see y'all later.